At DC Solar, we know our customers expect more. That's why we add energy storage to all of our solar systems. With ever-changing utility rates, it's critical that solar systems be paired with energy storage to maximize their savings. By adding energy storage to a solar system, we can ensure you're protected against utility rate changes over the life of your system. If you've been paying a utility bill, you're used to rates going up and up and up every year. But did you know, under mandatory time of use, rates can go up and down? Why would a utility company want to raise one rate and lower another? To understand this, let's look at how a typical customer uses power during the day. Homeowners use the bulk of their power in the morning and at night, not during the daytime while the sun is up and the solar is producing. To match this supply and demand issue, utility companies have created an on and off peak period. At nighttime, when demand for energy is at its highest and solar's not producing, rates are at their peak. During the day, when energy demand is low and solar production is high, utility rates are dropping. Why isn't this a good thing? During the day, you are producing more solar power than you are using. This excess is sold back to the utility, unfortunately, at the lowest rate. And when you want that power back at night, you're forced to buy it at the highest rate. This can result in a huge loss of the value of your solar system. Shouldn't you be able to use your solar energy when you need it? We have the answer. With Phaser MicroStorage, we can get you the highest rate for your solar production by taking solar power that would normally go back to the grid at low rates and storing it until rates are high. By intelligently using your stored power, a Phaser system can maximize your solar investment. Phaser MicroStorage was designed with the customer in mind. Rather than take up precious space in the garage, or even worse in your home, Phaser is mounted right under the solar panel, directly where solar power is produced, resulting in the highest efficiency. With our plug-and-play technology, a single Phaser can be installed in under 30 seconds and allows for unlimited scalability to meet the customer's needs. Behind all of this technology is our software system called Measures. Measures is taking second-by-second data and optimizing the interaction between your home, your solar system, and Phaser MicroStorage. Our real-time monitoring gives you total choice and control and complete visibility into your energy use. In today's environment, with utility smart meters and time-of-use charges, solar alone is not enough. Pairing storage with solar maximizes your investment and ensures your financial return, no matter what the utility throws at you. So take control today and declare your energy independence.